Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellow humans. Today we are diving into Al-HALEEM. Al-HALEEM is the forbearing and the punishment of the guilty. He waits, giving time to the sinner to realize his guilt and ask for forgiveness in order that he may forgive rather than punish. He has absolute power and is just, yet he is gentle and compassionate. He prefers to pardon than guilty rather than take vengeance. So many among us deny him, revolt against him, disobey him, tyrannize his good servants, mistreat his creation, and tyrannize themselves. And they keep doing this, not even getting embellished from eating what is stolen from orphans. Do not think that they'll go unpunished. Allah Al-HALEEM, all-knowing, Allah Al-Adl, judges. But the gentle Al-HALEEM waits, preferring to see them regret, change, repent, compensate for the harm they have done, so that he may forgive them and transform them into good servants rather than destroy them. In this compassionate attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there is a breath of relief for all of us. Is there a day or an hour that passes in which we have not sinned? If Allah were prompt in His punishment, not giving us time to realize what we have done and its consequences, to beg for His forgiveness and hope for His mercy, there wouldn't be a person alive on the face of the earth. Allah says, if Allah were to punish people according to what they deserve, He would not leave on the back of the earth a single living creature, but He gives them respite for a stated term. Surah Fatir, Ayat 45. Allah loves those pure and clean hearts that, like clear mirrors, reflect His beautiful attributes. Allah loves the gentle, Haleem man who is not ready to condemn, to avenge, but rather waits and hopes that his adversary will change and become Haleem himself. So who is Abdul Haleem? Abdul Haleem is blessed with perfect character. His manifestation is gentleness and forgiveness. Although having the power to punish and to take revenge, he will forgive and treat kindly the ones who tyrannize him. He will be forbearing in the face of the treachery, of the deceitful and the stupidity of the vile. Yet he is always victorious over the mean with his gentleness. If someone who is choleric recites Ya Haleem 88 times when he is about to flare up, his anger may subside. If one of the partners in a marriage falls out of love, to write this name Al-HALEEM on an apple and eat it may help to restore the affection. If this name is written on a paper and dissolved in water, and water is sprinkled on a field of garden, the earth bears better crops, if Allah so wishes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.